Storytime, The Nail Tech Mystery Diaries. An Unexpected Twist. Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Weekly Nail Care Diaries. Today, I've got a story that's as thrilling as it is chilling. Picture this. A cozy nail session at home turns into an unsolved mystery I never saw coming. Grab your nail files, your polish, and maybe a blanket. This one will keep you on your toes. Let's dive in.
It all started on a quiet Thursday evening. I just set up my little nail station at home. You know the vibe. My LED lamp was glowing, my gel polishes were lined up in perfect rainbow order, and I had my favorite true crime podcast playing in the background. My plan was simple: an at-home nail refresh while brainstorming new designs for my beauty business.
As I started filing my nails, I got a notification from a client-turned-friend, Lisa. She's been coming to me for months, and we bonded over our mutual love of nails and all things mysterious. Her text read, "Hey Brittany, something weird happened today. Do you mind if I swing by? I need to talk, and maybe you could work your magic on my nails while I spill the tea." Of course, I said yes. I mean, who doesn't love tea and a chance to try out a new design? Lisa showed up an hour later, visibly frazzled. She tossed her purse onto the couch and plopped down in the chair by my nail station. "Okay, spill," I said, buffing her nails. She took a deep breath and launched into her story. Apparently, she'd recently purchased a vintage nail kit from a thrift store, one of those antique sets with gold, handles, and intricate designs. It was a steal at only $5. But ever since she brought it home, weird things started happening. At first, I thought I was just misplacing things, Lisa explained. My nail files would vanish, only to reappear in the strangest places, like inside my fridge. And last night, she paused, her voice trembling slightly. I heard someone whispering my name. I was home alone, Brittany.
Now, I'll admit, I'm a sucker for a good ghost story, but this was different. Lisa wasn't the type to make things up, and she looked genuinely scared. As we chatted, I decided to take a closer look at the vintage nail kit she brought along. The tools were stunning, ornate, heavy, and clearly old. But when I picked out the cuticle pusher, I noticed something odd: a tiny inscription etched into the handle. It read for Miss Evelyn, 1947. "Who's Evelyn?" I asked. Lisa shrugged. "No idea. I thought it was just a random old set." Curiosity piqued. I grabbed my phone and Googled Evelyn 1947 unsolved mystery. What I found sent chills down my spine. In 1947, a woman named Evelyn Carter, a famous nail technician in her day, went missing under mysterious circumstances. She was last seen closing up her salon late one night, and the only thing found at the scene was her personalized nail kit. The case had gone cold decades ago. I showed Lisa the article, and her face turned pale. "Brittany, what if this is her kit?" she whispered.
We both stared at the tools, suddenly feeling like we were handling something far more sinister than a simple manicure set. "Okay, maybe it's just a coincidence," I said, trying to keep things light. "Let's finish your nails and stop freaking ourselves out." But as I started painting her nails, the lights in my apartment flickered. Then, my LED lamp shut off entirely. "Did your power just go out?" Lisa asked, her voice tight with fear. "No, everything else is still on," I said, glancing around. And then we heard it. A soft whisper, faint but unmistakable. It sounded like a woman's voice, saying, "Find me." Lisa and I froze, staring at each other in wide-eyed panic. "Did you hear that?" she asked. I nodded slowly. "We need to get rid of this kit. Now." But before we could move, the whisper came again, louder this time. "Help me." Suddenly, one of the nail tools, the same cuticle pusher with Evelyn's name on it, slid off the table and landed on the floor with a sharp clang. Lisa screamed. I grabbed the tool, half expecting something, or someone, to appear. Instead, I noticed that the inscription wasn't just a name anymore. Beneath, "For Miss Evelyn," new words had appeared. "Look inside."
Heart pounding, I unscrewed the handle, revealing a tiny rolled-up piece of paper inside. It was brittle and yellow with age, but the message was clear: Evelyn Carter. Buried beneath Magnolia Nail Salon, Lisa and I stared at each other. the weight of the discovery sinking in, and that's where our nail session turned into a full-blown mystery adventure. But
What happened next? Did we call the cops? Did we investigate ourselves? Let me know in the comments what you think Evelyn's story is. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you're as hooked as I am. Stay polished, my friends.